Good morning. It's Thursday, February 12th, day 94 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. Let's go get my pre-work morning walk done. It's actually pretty nice out this morning. It's 25 degrees, but no wind. And the walkway's cleared up a lot from yesterday, so not too much ice. We're good to go. Let's keep going. Sky looks pretty this morning, only a few clouds. The sun's beginning to come up. It's supposed to be in the 30s today, so not only will my lunch walk be nice, but going out and joint inspections with the building official, we won't freeze to death today, for once. So that's nice. Let's get this wrapped up and head on into work. Let's go. Another beautiful night at Anchor Beach after work. Getting my steps in, extra steps in, I should say. Looking forward to next month when sun sets after 6 p.m. It's beautiful. Let's go. The sunset looks beautiful behind Signal Rock at the flagpole. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's pretty mild out too, in the 30s, so that's nice. Let's get this done. Day 94 complete after work. 21,019. See you all tomorrow. Bye.